Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best folding bikes on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best budget option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Stowabike 20-inch Folding City V3 Compact Foldable Bike. This is our best budget folding bike. The Stowabike 20-inch Folding City V3 Compact Foldable Bike has a 20-inch steel folding frame for portability and years of use without any wear and tear. It even has a built-in rack for carrying your goods. This is perfect for when you're going to the grocery store or somewhere else and you need to bring back various things. This bike also has a 6-speed Shimano gear system, allowing you to change gears smoothly depending on the terrain you're riding on. Whether you're going through the city or a rocky trail, you'll be covered. It has a 3/32 steel chainring with steel CP cranks for extreme durability and impressive functionality. Measuring 47 by 8 by 24.5 inches with a weight of 37.5 pounds, this folding bike has a maximum user weight of 176 pounds. The height can be adjusted anywhere from 23.5 to 35.5 inches. It also has built-in steel mud guards that keep the bike from getting filthy when you aren't riding on paved land. The features include mud guards. The mud guards on this bike will protect both you and the bike from all sorts of flying debris while riding. Flat handlebar. This bike has a nice handlebar design that is easy to grip and hold onto, even for extended periods. Steel V-brakes. The braking system this bike uses is quite impressive and gives you excellent stopping power. The pros are very rugged construction. The steel construction of this bike makes it exceptionally durable and long-lasting. Reliable folding mechanism. You can always rely on this bike's folding mechanism to work perfectly every single time. Height adjustable. You should be able to adjust this bike to the perfect height no matter what. And for the cons, the assembly instructions that come with this bike are a bit generic and vague. This folding bike has a very efficient design that will provide you with ideal performance on a regular basis. It gives you a lasting construction that will be sure to stand the test of time through regular everyday use. The 4th product on our list is the Schwinn Loop Folding Bicycle. The Schwinn Loop Folding Bicycle folds out in just a few simple and easy steps. This allows you to get going very quickly and without having to follow any unnecessary steps. It is a great choice for camping or taking with you on long trips in an RV. There's no bike rack required, as it measures 29.5 by 29 by 19 inches when folded. You'll be able to go up small hills easily thanks to this bike's uniquely functional design. It has 7 different speeds that you can switch between with ease. The rear carry rack and included nylon carry bag will protect this bike while keeping it concealed. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who commutes to work on a daily basis. With a weight of around 33 pounds, this bike is very light compared to most non-folding models on the market. It also has a one-of-a-kind frame shape that is truly unique as well as stylish. You'll be able to fold it out, load your stuff, and get going right away. Everything about this bike screams convenience. The features include 7-speed design. This bike has a 7-speed design with shifter that allows you to find the best riding option very easily. Rear carry rack. The rear carry rack this bike offers gives you the ability to transport it without any hassle. Kickstand. The kickstand is very solid and will keep your bike upright at all times when it is not in use. The pros are durability. The steel frame of this bike makes it highly durable and capable of lasting a very long time without any issues. Steel hinges. This bike's steel hinges are also sturdy and make unfolding this bike easy and quick. Easy to carry. The built-in carry rack and nylon bag that come with this bike make it easy to carry around as needed. And for the cons, some customers have complained about this bike not holding up together well when folded. If you need a new bike for commuting to work or just traveling with, this one is a great option that has a lot to offer on the whole. The 3rd product on our list is the Euro Mini Zizzo. The Euro Mini Zizzo is made entirely in the USA and features a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, handlebar, stem, seat post, kickstand, headset, crankset, and rear fenders. It uses V-style brakes that allow you to stop abruptly and safely when necessary. This will keep you safe while you're riding. This bike's genuine Shimano Tourney 7-speed derailleur, Shimano Revo 7-speed grip style shifter, and stainless steel cassette gears offer the perfect combination of durability and functionality. You can switch gears seamlessly for the best possible riding performance at all times. The double wall rims and ultralight multi-terrain tires make it easy to ride in a number of different places without any problems. Measuring 27 by 31 by 12.5 inches with a weight of 27 pounds, this folding bike is very portable to say the least. It even has a magnet catcher that holds the bike together when it's folded up. This means that you won't have to deal with it flopping around at all. The features include adjustable design. You'll be able to adjust the height of this bike to match your riding needs perfectly. Telescopic handlebar. The handlebar design this bike offers always gives you a comfortable grip while riding. Foldable pedals. Even the pedals on this bike fold up, making it much easier to store than a lot of models on the market. The pros are great braking system. The braking system on this bike is nothing short of impressive, giving you incredible stopping power. Versatile design. You can go over a variety of terrains on this bike without feeling every bump. Holds together well. The magnetic catcher always holds this bike together, making it easier to take around with you. And for the cons, sometimes it is necessary to use your hands to unfold the pedals, which is a bit of an inconvenience. You can quickly and easily fold this bike up and get on your way. It provides you with a sleek and stylish design that is also very durable. You should never have any problem going over any terrain that you're likely to encounter while riding. The second product on our list is the Dayhan Speed D7 Street 20-inch 7-speed folding bicycle. The Dayhan Speed D7 Street 20-inch 7-speed folding bicycle has a great lightweight design with a chromoly frame that can easily stand the test of time. It uses vice grip technology to provide you with reliable functionality on a regular basis. The fork and handle post features high-tend steel blades and steerer for smooth and stable riding at all times. This bike also has a 7-speed Shimano RD TX35 rear derailleur drivetrain that will never let you down. The Dayhan Speed D7 Street is equipped with Dayhan's own 20-inch wheels. The tires are combined with aluminum rims with 20-hole front and 28-hole rear hubs for a very sturdy base. This also gives you superior performance that you can always count on time and time again. The brakes that this bike uses are equipped with WinZip smooth and powerful 110mm V brakes. This means that you'll have no problem stopping when it really counts. You can fold this bike up quickly to ensure maximum convenience all the time. The features include vice grip technology. The innovative vice grip technology this bike uses offers complete stability no matter what. Forged alloy telescope handle post. This bike's handle post is designed to provide you with optimal control to keep you safe and steady whenever you're riding. V-brakes. The V-brake system is nothing short of impressive, giving you maximum stopping power always. The pros are smooth performance. This bike's high-tend steel blades give you smooth performance that you can always rely on. Durable construction. The aluminum rims of this bike are very sturdy and will hold up extremely well over time. Lightweight. Measuring 33.1 by 13.2 by 25.3 inches, this bike has a total weight of just 36.3 pounds, making it light and very portable. And for the cons, the shifting hardware that this bike uses is a bit cheap and not the best overall. When you need to find a folding bike that you can depend on for consistently impressive performance, this one is a great choice. It gives you a sleek design and a high degree of functionality that is well suited to almost everyone. The first product on our list is the Savadek folding bike. This is our best overall folding bike. The Savadek folding bike has an impressively rugged carbon fiber frame. It provides you with a strong and lightweight design with a total weight of only 22.05 pounds or 10 kilograms. This bike is equipped with the Shimano 105 22-speed gear system and hydraulic brakes. This means that you'll have the ability to traverse just about any terrain. You also have the ability to stop safely and effectively no matter what. This bike's quick and easy folding mechanism will allow you to transport and store it without any hassle whatsoever. It is also incredibly easy to adjust and is perfect for people of almost all heights. You should have no problem assembling it right out of the box as well. It comes with detailed instructions, but the simple overall design makes it easy to put together. The stylish aesthetic of this bike is ideal for just about anyone. It is a great choice for anyone who needs an efficient way to get to work each day. This is also an amazing option for camping, as you can toss it right in your car or RV and hit the road. The features include 22-speed gear system. The 22 different gear options allow you to ride just about anywhere without issue. Hydraulic brake system. This bike's hydraulic brake system allows you to stop efficiently at all times, no matter what. Adjustable seat. You can quickly and easily adjust the seat height to match your needs for comfortable riding. The pros are easily folded. You can fold this bike up completely in a matter of seconds, which is beyond convenient when going to or from work. Low-profile design. This bike's low-profile design protects it from damage, so you can count on it to stay in very good condition over the years. Very light. The lightweight carbon frame of this bike makes it easy to carry as well as exceptionally durable. And for the cons, this bike might not be a great choice for taller people. This bike's folding design provides you with incredible efficiency and functionality to match your needs, whatever they happen to be. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.